How to buy the PEPIUS Maximus token. As you can see, this token it's increased by 17,000% in the last 24 hours, and as you can see, the liquidity is 100%. Look, that's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, what you need to do to be able to buy this, you have two options. So even you go to their website, as you can see, and now as you can see, you can buy the PEPIUS from here, or buy it on Uniswap. But if you want to buy it on your wallet, just go and copy the token address from here, and remember that this token is under Base Network, and open your wallet. For this I will use Bitget wallet. Now go and select the Base Network from Base Network from here, and click on plus icon from here, and now paste the token address as you can see. So this is it, and now click on plus button, and now go back. Now search for your token. As you can see, this is it. Click on it. Now click on swap and switch it from here, and now select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and this is how much you will receive, as you can see. Now after that, click on buy, and you will buy this PEPIUS token. So this is how to buy the PEPIUS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.